What is metadata under surveillance law? Imagine your phone bill or email summary. It shows who you contacted, when, and for how long, but not what you said or wrote. That's what metadata is. It's information about your communications, not the actual message content. In surveillance law, metadata includes details like phone numbers involved in a call, the time and duration of the call, email subject lines, and locations from where messages were sent. Think of it as a digital footprint that maps your interactions without revealing what you actually said. Laws like the Electronic Communications Privacy Act and the Foreign Intelligence Surveillance Act treat metadata differently from content. Accessing the content of a message usually needs a court-issued warrant based on probable cause. But collecting metadata often only needs a court order based on relevance to an investigation. This means authorities can gather metadata more easily and in larger amounts. Surveillance programs use metadata to do activities like contact chaining. This is where analysts connect the dots by looking at who communicated with whom, extending beyond just one person. It helps reveal social networks and patterns without listening to conversations or reading emails. Even though metadata doesn't include the actual words of your messages, it can still reveal a lot about you. It shows your habits, who you are connected with, your locations, and interests. This can be used to build detailed profiles and track your movements or relationships. Practically, metadata can be collected in bulk without suspicion of any specific person. Laws like the USA Patriot Act Section 215 make this possible. Because protections for metadata are weaker than for content, your metadata might be accessed or shared more freely by authorities. Knowing this helps you understand what your privacy rights cover. It's important to realize that even if your messages are private, metadata can still expose personal details. Advocating for stronger privacy rules can help protect your metadata as well as your actual messages. In short, metadata under surveillance law is information about your communications that law enforcement can often collect with fewer legal hurdles than actual message content. It can still reveal a lot about your life and habits, so understanding this helps you see the full picture of your privacy rights.